Well, good afternoon. We have a beautiful day ahead of us with a clear blue sky, comfortable temperatures sitting at our mid 60s range, and a very low dew point, making it very, very dry and a perfect day to maybe go on a walk. And um, those conditions are clear across the entire southeast. Everybody is saying the same things. It's sunny over here. High temperatures are pretty similar all over northeast Mississippi. 70 here at home in Columbus and Starkville, sort of topping out with a 73 in Calhoun City. And over the nighttime hours, things will cool down a bunch, going to a 46 degrees with, again, very clear skies, below average temperatures. And then tomorrow we're going to warm up about 6 more degrees for the high, and we also have a chance of thunderstorms pulling in tonight. Now, there is a system happening up above us that is going to pull in all this moisture. These clouds are going to roll in at about 4 a.m. into our area, and that cold front is going to propel those clouds and be the cause for this rain that rushes in, finally hitting us at about 5 p.m. Now, this is some pretty rough looking weather on the models, and it's really going to hit the northeast Mississippi area and especially Starkville pretty rough at about 8 p.m. That's when we're going to get our highest and hardest amounts of rainfall. Now, it's going to mostly clear out by midnight with some clouds and some rain sort of splashing around the middle of our area, but clouds are going to almost be completely out of the equation by the time we are heading to work or school tomorrow morning or the next morning. Now, like I said, this is a severe threat. We are expecting thunderstorms and rainfall and potentially heavy winds, but it's not going to be a washout. Now, most of northeast Mississippi is expecting up to a 1/10 of an inch of rain, with Fulton being the outlier here, expecting up to a 1/4 of an inch. And that won't really affect our baseball this Friday against Manhattan. First pitch is at noon, so 61 degrees, and it's going to slowly warm up as the clouds fly away from us into a 64, but cooling back down afterwards to a nice and comfortable 59. That means you might want to bring a blanket to the game. Now, over the next week, going into the weekend, things are going to cool down after that rain comes in and really cools everything down, but then we're going to get much warmer, going up almost 20 degrees from Saturday to Monday, where we can expect highs in the 80s on Monday. And those sunny conditions are going to go away as the temperature drops once again going into the week.